Yeah, I've taught preschool and do, what preschool teachers do, but with more visuals. Like I show the kids like I am going to the store and then draw a picture of me going to the store and cue it and then sign it, and sign English. Then I cue it and use ASL going. I am going to the store. I am going to the store. So that kids can pick it up faster. That's just a very nutshell, thing. But we do a lot of that in preschool.
Yeah, and that was a great example, honestly, to our parents of how you can use queuing and ASL kind of together for, like I said, that total communication piece. And I love, Amy, how you're talking about, you can really fit this into the goals of your family.